Happy Friday.
Happy
Friday.
In this video you will see us, we're going to go to Rustica. That might be a separate video or it might be in this one. We've got the carnival in Torrevieja, the main parade.
And we're home cooking tomorrow night. We're going to Rustica on the kids actually. They got my dad and Andy a voucher for Christmas. And Maddie got me a voucher for my birthday.
So thanks kids.
Thank you.
Cue the intro. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
We are at Playa Flamenca Commercial Centre.
We like it here actually.
Yes, and tonight we're going to Rustica. Cheers kids.
Thank you.
Thank you, darlings.
Ellen said your battery's on yellow. I'm like, yeah, I've seen it on yellow for quite a while. And I looked and I thought, it's not flashing red. Yeah,
He's not recorded
I've
anything.
done a Helen then wasn't recording. We've just recorded everything.
So we've just been talking for the last 5 minutes for nothing.
Take 2.
So we're in Rustica and we have ordered, I'll tell you what I've ordered. For a starter, I've ordered scallops with a black pudding, foam and mousse and bacon. And then for the main course, I've ordered herb crusted rack of lamb, but I've ordered a half a rack because you can order a half rack or a full rack. But I think half's going to be sufficient because I want a dessert as well. It comes with a red wine and I think it's a blueberry jus, but I've swapped that out for a creamy leek sauce and I'm having dauphinoise potatoes with that. So that's what I've ordered.
I've ordered.
Salt and pepper chicken.
Thank you, Bob. Salt and pepper chicken as a starter, and I've ordered the stuffed pork chop, which is stuffed with gorgonzola and I think bacon and
It is,
some
yeah,
of it.
yeah.
And I ordered some sautéed potatoes with bacon and chives.
The pork chop takes an hour to cook.
It does, so we're going to be waiting for Andy.
Yeah.
My dad's
And
ordered.
there's also a side between us.
Oh yeah,
which is
we've ordered a cauliflower cheese between us.
So, what have I ordered? I've ordered mussels
In Cajun
with a
sauce.
Cajun sauce. And I've also ordered, for my main course, a ribeye steak. Not blue, don't want it blue, but I'll have it red. With chips and hand-cooked chips and pepper sauce. But it also comes with things like onion rings and all sorts of bits and bobs.
So we've got a bottle of wine. It's a Rioja, and it's only cost us. Well, it's not cost us anything yet because we've not paid for it. But it's only what is it, $12.95?
$12.95,
Yeah. So we've got that,
$12.95.
and they also do really nice cocktails here as well from the look of the pictures.
Now, this place has been on my radar since before we first went to Gong, so quite a while, but we've just never been for whatever reason. This is more of a, as I understand it, a fine dining kind of place.
Yeah.
So they brought us a complimentary gazpacho, which I'm going to show you now, so hang on.
Oh, that's really, really, really nice.
So gazpacho, that means it's cold, yeah?
Yes, it's delicious.
Very much so.
Gazpacho is usually cucumberish, but hang on a second,
Can't taste cucumber, it's lovely.
needs vodka in it to make it into a Bloody Mary.
That really is nice.
That is the scallops with the bacon and the black pudding
And
mousse.
cauliflower puree.
Bob's got the mussels in Cajun. Just I've got the salt and pepper chicken,
That's a huge portion.
and it all smells great.
The scallops are delicious.
I think
The starters were absolutely delicious. I would have been happy with any of them if I'd have only ordered that. They were lovely.
if the mains are as good as this,
Really good.
Absolutely bloody oranges. Don't come. They were fabulous.
a solid 9 plus, easy.
Yeah, definitely.
Helen's got half a rack of lamb, which looks nice. Look at the size of this. We have That's my stuffed pork chop.
I think I did right just having half a right look.
That's Bob's
just right.
ribeye steak.
Lovely.
And that is my sautéed potatoes
With
bacon
and onions.
Yes.
That pork is huge.
We've got the chips here and the cauliflower cheese here. This dish is incredibly hot, okay?
Okay,
So
thank
that's
you.
Bob's
anything else
hand-cut
at all?
No, I think
chips.
we're all right, thank you. Thanks a lot.
That's your
Bye. My potatoes are on
that's
my
your
plate.
potatoes. That's the cauliflower cheese. It smells phenomenal. So the stuffed bit is okay. There you have my stuffed pork chop. That looks like it's flipping hot, Bob. That was the biggest lamb chop I have ever
It went
had.
to lamb chop, it was a pork chop.
I'll rephrase that. Start again.
I had lamb chops.
You
Start
had-
again.
Yeah. That's the biggest pork chop I've ever had. All seen.
Yeah. It was
Must have been a big pig.
humongous. And I had the half a rack of lamb, which were 4 lamb chops. But here in Spain, what you've got to remember is lamb chops are not very big. What I've had has been ample. And it was tasty, but I've got to say, in all fairness, I've had nicer meals for the price. But I'm not disappointed because it's been very nice.
Yeah, it has been tasty. It's been good. I've enjoyed it.
My
had one
duck and Welsh
separate,
potatoes were lovely. Really enjoyed them.
We've got takeaway basically.
Yeah,
Lots of it.
we've got a takeaway. And then
We've got like at least half of the cauliflower cheese. We've got 2/3 of my potatoes. We've got probably half of Bob's chips, half of my chop,
and nothing of mine 'cause it's all gone.
and Bob's actually got half of his steak as well.
Helen's a bit of a pig. She's eaten all hers.
No, thank you.
It's got mint leaves on it as well, but look, that's the banoffee pie underneath. Look at that.
Ah, right. Oh, it's sliced banana. I didn't see it was sliced.
I'm gonna try it. That's lovely. Dad, pass your spoon.
Bob doesn't like bananas. Watch this.
But he's gonna have some. So my dad don't like bananas, but he's gonna try this.
I don't like bananas.
Have you got a bit of
I've
everything
got
in
a
there?
bit- a
Is
bit
there
of
some biscuit
everything.
on there
Yeah,
as well?
there's some everything.
I don't like bananas. All right.
Yes or no?
It's all right.
Yeah. Anyway, as I was saying before, before Helen nicked my spoon. Hang on, I'll be back.
There we go.
Thank you. I thought she nicked the spoon. How am I going to eat my pudding? Oh, nice. This was it white chocolate and strawberry cheesecake or something? It's cheesecake anyway. With a flake. That's lovely.
Nice, but I prefer my banoffee.
Well, there we go.
If you can hear us, the bill was 161, which I thought was alright, it was nice.
Yeah, it's been nice.
I've enjoyed it. It was lovely, yeah.
So what's in this?
Just leeks.
Is there any wine or anything like that?
Leeks and butter at the moment. That's
Leeks
it.
and butter, and then in here, there's prawn heads and prawn shells.
White wine and butter. No, white wine and
Milk.
I'm just straining these prawn heads. And then I'm going to cook the fish in it and strain it again.
They cook the fish in what, the juice?
In the juice.
Yeah.
Strain it again and then make a roux and make it into a thicker sauce.
From here, because my eyes aren't very good and my glasses aren't, it looks like peas.
No, it's not peas.
And butter.
It's parsley, garlic and butter for garlic bread.
Nice. We've just finished the live and they say, come and look at this. What am I looking at?
Jones.
Oh, look at it.
There we go. Homemade seafood lasagna and garlic and parsley bread.
So, it's a Sunday. Helen's using
All the leftover bits up.
from Rustica and some stuff out of the allotment that needs using, like the tomatoes, and she's making us a paella.
Well, it's
Kind
a
of.
rice dish.
A rice.
I'm even putting cauliflower cheese in it. And roasted potatoes.
Yes,
Listen,
there is.
it's either be alright or it won't.
I'm sure it'll be fine. It was supposed to start at 4. It's 4:15. It's took us ages to get parked, and we're parked
About 10 mile away from where we need to be. So we need to get a spurt on.
It is Sunday. It is main carnival competition day. We are in Torrevieja, and I'm not flying solo this year. I've got the boss with me, which is great. Okay, so we've seen a few costumes already, and they look nuts in a good way. This is going to be very, very noisy, so we'll end up cutting all the music out. We'll chuck our own over the top and just enjoy it as much as...
You might even hear it saying that. We might just have to put subtitles on.
Yeah. So Torrevieja Carnival, it's the first time I've done this particular parade for the full length, and it was over 4 hours. It was nuts. Not as good as last year, but it's still worth having a look at. That's it from us. We hope you've enjoyed this video.
If you have, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment.
And share with your friends.
Yes. Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto. The size of them compared to Finnair. Girlies. Ain't growing so much. This is only the second time that they've been out of the garden. They're a little bit stressed because it's the first time they've been where there's people and noises and stuff. So,
But they've had lots of treats on the way.
yeah.